It's New Product Monday. You know what that means? We're going to show you a new product that I reviewed, I loved, and you might like it for your own rig too. Let's take a look. Okay, if you own an EKKO, or maybe you're doing a DIY van and you're thinking about, you know what, I really need to extend my counter surface, or I'm looking for do something really cool like an outside table or maybe an inside table, I think I've got an idea for you. And FreedomVanGo came up with a really cool universal flip top table that's going to fit on a lot of really cool things. It comes in 12 inches and 24 inches, and I got the 24 inch and I'm going to show it to you right now. So after you get your box open, you're going to of course see the table that you ordered. It's already got the brackets mounted to it already, which is nice. You're going to see a lovely little cheat sheet here where they're going to tell you how to line it up and where to pre-drill the holes. Love that. Then they're going to give you a little bag of all the little doodads that you need, you know, screws, spacers, magnets, things like that. Already there, super easy. Now, here's what I did. Once I got all this out of the package, I immediately went to FreedomVanGo's actually YouTube site, found the product, and watched their installation video, because that's really the key. It's nice to watch the whole thing start to finish, or just go through it. Bring your phone to your rig and then watch it step by step as you go through. It's going to help you tremendously. All right, so let me demonstrate. Mine is currently installed. All you have to do to lift this up, it literally is one finger. It's open and done. It already came with the lovely mechanicals down here. It's very simple to put down. All you do, there's two little brackets down here. You just very gently push them in, and it goes down. Voila, super simple. Now this is the 24 inch. So remember, if there was a 12 inch, it would be half that, so go right here. Just shows you where about would be and how it would look. So let me show you those mechanicals once again. This is what I'm talking about, where you just very easily push that in. You have to do both sides at the same time, and it goes down. I love this. You could do one at a time though, as I found out. There you go. And it comes down too. Super, super easy. Love this. Was a little concerned at first, wasn't sure exactly how it was going to look and how it would be so long. Now they make this in a black and then a slate gray to match the laminate for the counters, which is nice. I chose the black because that's what my counters are right now. But so far so good, and still gives you ample room, you know, to put little command hooks and put little things down there. So I would find this to be one of those mods that makes a lot of sense. If you're curious to see how close it would be to the lovely chair behind the passenger seat, I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to sit here, because you could use this for lots of different things, not just for cooking prep space, but you could also work here, which I love. You could do lots of things. You could put your drink here if you're sitting down, maybe like a little laptop. You could watch your shows on an iPad. Who knows what? This has lots of different purposes, not just for putting out, you know, your condiments for your hot dogs and hamburgers. I really, really love this idea. And the reason why I like the 24 inch is because it is nice, as I said, as an easy thing to put beside as someone sitting here without having to break out the big table. Now, as some of you know, I've had some upgrades done at FreedomVanGo in Jacksonville, Florida, and I was really super happy. They did my whole electrical upgrade, which is another video. I'll put it up here, down here somewhere, so you can take a look at that someday. But they have a really cool van parts warehouse, which I love to talk about because it's hard to find really cool parts that you can get behind. And they have quite a few of them. So I'm going to leave a link to the van parts warehouse in the description of this video. So if there's other things you're looking for to do upgrades, it's a great place to go. Check them out. I'm also going to be at an event in Amana at the Amana RV Park for a lot of Winnebago owners. It's called Mods, Maintenance, and Merriment. Really cool. So 3 things you're going to do. We're going to talk about mods. We're going to assist people who need like little things such as like putting in this table or maybe helping with a little bit of insulation. Little things, little mods, not huge mods, but just little things that you might need a little assistance with. We're going to talk about maintenance, about taking care of our rigs and things we need to do. And of course, there's going to be campfires. Of course, there'll be merriment. So always a good time. If you're interested and you want to go to this event, you can do one of 2 things. You can either send me an email, contact@charliegraceadventures.com, or you could make a nice little comment down below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. I will say this, you need to do your reservation soon. Soon, soon, soon. So I know there's already a link in the event section in the Winnebago EKKO Owners and Wannabes Facebook group, which is fine. You can also send me an email. I'll forward you all the information. Really, really cool. I hope to see you there. I'm going to be there helping all the people. I guess I get to be the modulator, they call me. So I'm going to be helping people who are interested in helping out. If you have a skill set where you're someone who's really handy with a cordless drill, or you've got some knowledge on little things like maybe a little electrical here or there, small things, like I said, not big things. We're not going to go crazy. We are going to help our awesome people who have rigs, who are looking for some upgrades, and a little bit of mods. So thanks for watching. If you like learning about really cool new products, really awesome adventures, and you know, just finding out what's going on in this wonderful overlanding and camping world, come on over, follow me, be a part of our adventure crew. I put out new videos weekly, and we always love to talk to new friends. So until next week, just remember, every day is an adventure.